Using Office apps, we can remove the background from almost any image. We do this as simply as inserting an image, selecting it, going to Format, and Remove Background. You'll find this same experience in Outlook messages, selecting the image, Format, Remove Background, Excel, inserting the image, Format, Remove Background, Word, as you first saw, and then today we're going to focus mostly on PowerPoint. So in my blog post, you saw how we removed the background from a hat. In this video, we're going to go over how to remove the background from multiple images. Let's start with the hat again. So we're going to select the hat, go to Format, Remove Background, and at first, PowerPoint's going to guess on which areas it wants to remove by highlighting those in pink. We're going to mark additional areas that we want to keep. So we just choose Mark Areas to Keep and drag our cursor over those areas we don't want removed. Okay, when we're satisfied, we click Keep Changes. Next, we'll do the headshot. We select the image, go to Format, and Remove Background. So this one we're going to need a little bit more work. We're going to mark areas to keep again, and with hair it can be a little bit tricky sometimes, but we're going to do the best we can. So just click and drag, try to keep close to the edge. And then on my headshot specifically, it can be a little tricky because I'm wearing a dark shirt against a dark background. So you might just have to go over a few areas multiple times. So when we're happy with that, we'll keep our changes again. And then let's do the last piece here. We have cloudy skies in the background against the sunflower field. So we're going to replace it with some brighter skies. So first we'll select the image, go to Format, Remove Background. Okay, and it keeps part of the image, and we're just going to, again, mark the areas to keep and drag around the edge of all these sunflowers that we would definitely want to keep in here. Okay, we might have to do this a few times as it tries to guess what we want to keep. Okay, so that looks pretty good. There's two spots over here, actually just the one I think we'll try to get rid of. We'll go to Mark Areas to Remove, and there's just a little bit of sky left right here. Okay, there we go. So we're going to keep changes, and then you'll see I already had a picture in the background of a brighter sky. So if I pull that out here just so you can see it, it's just clouds. And I just position that behind all the other images. So some other things we can do, if that blue is a little bit too bright, we can do some corrections. We can recolor it, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to choose this accent color 5. I think that looks a little more natural. So when you're all finished and you have it layered like you want, perhaps you need to move an image backward or forward by right-clicking and then going bring forward or bring backwards and backward. Select all the parts of your images by selecting one and doing Control-A, and then we're going to group them. Now we have one single image, and then to save it, we're going to right-click again and Save As Picture. This will allow us to use this image in other applications as a single piece instead of all the separate pieces. Good luck, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment.